Now, as far as the new roll pin, this is the heavy duty roll pin. It's way stronger than the factory one. Comes in the kit. Alright, here is the factory pin. This one is broken and cracked. This is where they normally come out. They'll break into 2 or 3 pieces. And then you're just going to simply replace the broken one with this one. There's a hole on the top of the gear and a hole in the shaft. You're going to align these and drive it through. So, tip, get the pin balanced halfway. Don't have one end sticking out more than the other. Make sure it's equal distance on both sides so there's no interference.